got knuckled by a piece of hail.
There's hail. And sheep.
In fact, there's a lot of hail now.
And I said, stop. Stop pushing it.
I hope it doesn't get any bigger than this.
I know it.
It's like having me a roof right now.
It feels like paintball.
All I know is I'm glad I got a helmet on.
Oh man, there's some slapping my legs though.
She ain't too comfy.
Are you kidding me? Oh, wow, that's going
If we're going to
fast.
be very long, I should probably get Agnes off the bridge.
It don't matter to me.
Oh, shit, that is sinking. Hey,
That's so cool.
Oh, I didn't even see the fire in here.
Where are you, Jace?
Hadn't even
He's
seen
not
it.
still on the four-wheeler. Over.
Ever
It's not a creek, it's a river.
Could be.
rivers are a lot wider.
Well, there's rivers like the Encampment River. This is just as big as that.
I'd call it a river.
I call it a
The
river,
sign
too.
calls it a creek.
It is a creek. What an awesome stop, guys. That is just amazing. We're going to keep going here, and I think this trail kind of follows this creek a little bit for a ways, so we're going to see what else we can find here.
There is a trail that goes right here.
Oh, wow.
Creek Canyon Trail at Mont Yonder.
Anybody there?
Yeah.
We go left to right up here at the Y.
So go right, is what Cool Rod said.
I'm right here, boy.
You're rolling! Rolling!
You guys want to take like one of them offshoots? I wonder if it goes down the creek.
Well, that one back there, I wondered the same. Might be kind of a neat thing.
Why can't our gravel roads back home be like this? Man, this is nice.
Because if we didn't have any gravel on the roads like this, the ground at home would get all mushy.
Oh, I think this little thing's just gonna go to a campsite down here.
A lot of them probably do.
Yeah, that's definitely not moose habitat down there. Okay.
Let us know. Me and Blake are up here.
I just don't know if it stops there or goes through, but there's a tent down here.
Cool creek crossing.
Yeah, it's kind of a neat little
Oh, that's sweet.
spot. But it appears to, yeah, it doesn't go beyond.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Somebody's camping down here. I mean, there are a couple chairs and a tent. I don't see people, but
That's a pretty sweet creek right there.
that's a cool campsite.
Yes, it is. Wow.
Got water all around you. Literally surrounding you.
Yeah. We gonna continue to the right or kind of go back?
This doesn't look to be getting any less dust road.
Yeah, but there's cool stuff around here.
We can go a bit farther and check it out.
Here's that. Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
Oh, there's another one. This is just amazing.
Another what?
There's the other one too. So there's two of them.
But what are you talking about? Water?
Yeah, the water.
We got some red dirt on the side of the road back there.
Again. Oh, nice. That's a waterfall. There's waterfall back there.
Over off to the right? I didn't even see it.
Oh my God.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
Still make it now. Man, that is amazing right
Oh,
there.
that is awesome.
Look at that. Turn around.
So cool. Oh yeah.
I gotta be the end of this trail.
I think, yeah.
Oh, jump.
Looks like,
We're at the
There's
end.
a 15 somewhere.
yes, it looks like they blocked it off. Look at how much these trees are moving. I think they're moving.
All right, Dean, where's that waterfall at?
Oh, I'm at it. Well, I just passed one on the side of the road.
How did I miss that?
I didn't see it either.
Well, you're at a different one, Blake. I just passed another one. Where are you at?
I think
Just
Lovely.
like it back there.
How did I miss this?
I don't know. I did too. There's another one back there that you missed 2 times.
Yeah,
That's
but
very cool.
this one's probably the cooler one.
Dad, one of these things are not unpacked.
Is there another one up there, boys?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, kid, would you say this
Thanks,
is better
sir.
or worse?
That's the
Probably a little bit better. It's a little bit bigger, at least.
These are just so amazing coming down like this.
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
How did we miss this?
I don't know. Wow, that thing's full.
This is the one that
That's awesome.
just.
Need a picture of that.
That's 26.
That's cool.
Dad, you should take a picture of that.
Well, I got the video rolling.
Dad, spot that to me and say, I found this.
Yeah, it falls all the way down there.
You can see it clear up there.
Yep.
That is one.
There must be a little outlet over here.
Don't worry, darling, I know. It comes down all the way down there somewhere where those rocks are. I know. Go down.
He knows.
It's too.
What, Jace?
I'm just
the
being
Outlander?
smart.
No, Blake's going to have it this afternoon. Unless
Okay.
he wants to switch back.
I do not.
This is amazing. 2 rocks.
Careful, Dean.
This is just amazing.
They got that tube pointing down pretty hard because I don't even know where it comes out on the other
I
side.
know. I didn't see it either.
That's why I'm afraid.
Is that a rock going all the way through?
Oh! I know what it is!
Did you see it come out?
I heard
Oh,
it. I heard
yeah.
it come out.
I see that metal thing down there with all the water flowing. Do you see that? Kind of whitish down there? That's the water.
I don't see it, but I believe you.
Yeah, I heard it bouncing the whole way out.
Comes out way down there somewhere.
Here, I'll throw another one in. You guys see if you can listen to it.
Oh, I was just about to do that.
Oh, you're doing it? All right.
Hey, be careful.
That's way down there.
Those rocks just to tumble like that. That's I just figured the culvert would come down like straight down or straight out, and the water would drop. But maybe they do.
I'm going to jump
That
on the
probably
rock.
caused more erosion on this, so they have to have it
I'm
come
going to
out way
jump
down
on the
there.
rock in there.
Wonder how they dug down that deep. I can feel it under me.
Just get the rocks from up here. It's not hard.
Yeah, how would they have dug that?
I don't know.
Yeah, let's keep moving.
Actually, we're a long ways from Centennial.
Yes, we are.
Yeah, we might want to start zooming back.
I'm going to drive.
You're not driving on this, boy.
Oh.
You gotta keep speed.
I'm gonna gravel. When we get to the main gravel, I'll probably
Let's go, boys. Saw ya.
Oh, Jace, I just farted all over you.
Ew. Good thing we're moving fast, so it won't really stay on me.
It builds character.
Yeah, just like that. Field SUV or something down here.
Oh, there's an old cabin there.
Oh, I didn't even see that.
I told you that.
You gotta speak up, boy.
You just gotta use your hearing.
Oh, I love trails that are kind of tight and windy through trees.
Narrow, you mean?
Huh?
Like narrow trails?
Yeah, narrow trails. This is a cool one.
Yeah, I wonder where it goes.
Too bad it's so dang dusty.
Yeah.
Somebody's been driving a truck back here.
The main
Tire
trail,
tracks.
that main
Oh,
trail just right above us.
I'm out.
Yeah. That's still cool.
Yeah, this is that one offshoot.
Yep.
I'm wondering where you guys were.
Yeah, just run some of these offshoots. You just been on a beeline apparently.
I didn't hear you guys say you were gonna try offshoots, so I just kept going.
Well, do you want to try that one back there?
Can if you
care.
want. I guess the answer is no.
Turning
think the answer-
around, boy.
You said so a while ago.
Evan, we're going a little too fast. Another nice campsite down here. We got a picnic table. This one's vacant though. Yeah, this would be an awesome place to camp.
Out wood. Nice big open area.
A creek close by.
Nice view.
What'd you see?
They all ran off, and
What did?
I think it was a marmot, but didn't get a great look at it. He went down across the road, then he sat on this rock, and then when we pulled up, he ran off in there somewhere.
Blake,
Kind of cool.
did you fall asleep? Chase was asleep.
Oh, Stuart.
What? I don't get
You
some-
wanna get
Stuart's
some
kinda
air?
falling asleep too.
Is it good?
It looks kind of cool.
You wanna do it again?
Sure.
Oh!
We went way up in there.
Oh!
I don't know how far it goes, but so far it's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's a fun trail.
It is quite fun.
Yeah, it's just like, I don't know.
Old Fat Acne getting any air back there?
I don't know if Fat Acne's coming up the trail yet.
Oh. Oh.
Ugh.
We just jumped. We just wheelied and jumped along.
Is Fat Acne coming?
I don't know.
We did a week.
Yeah, we did. We'll do it again on the way back. This is looking a lot more grassy, meaning less travel.
Can I drive?
Yeah, you can drive for a little bit, but once we get out on the main road, I'm going to drive because we got to keep speed.
I don't know. It keeps going.
Does it?
Yeah.
I wonder if we
I
got to
don't know
wait
how long.
for Fat Acne.
I don't care. Well, just tell me.
Stuart, do you still need your jacket? I can't hear you.
It's fine.
Okay. Just slow down here.
Yeah, we might want to stop and wait for us to go back.
Testing a trail out, we've gone quite a ways.
Well, I'll catch up to you guys. If you want to stop, I'll catch up to you. I don't know if Fat Acne will get through this spot right there, but
Want me to run back and get old Fat Acne?
I don't care.
Well, the thing is, his vehicle's in the best position to do that. You're gonna have to get around all of ours.
Oh, we'll figure it out. Oh, I can get right around you.
Get around mine too.
Looks like it.
Well, this trail is not traveled very often, I can tell you that.
No, it is
but I did
not.
see some fresh side-by-side tracks through that mud.
Yeah.
Up
That
here it
soft
looks
cut
more traveled.
fresh.
Up here it looks,
Oh,
I don't know why grass is still there back there. This is looking a lot more traveled.
Oh my.
Ooh, just got all muddy.
Back tracks.
this is a fun trail.
Yeah, it is.
It looks like rows, like they have rows of cut out. Yeah, there's rows of trees in there.
Yeah, there are.
You boys see that?
They just cut out strips.
Yeah. That is cool. Look how healthy the trees are that are there. Try to hold gate my phone in this deal so I can see where we're going.
We got a jump coming up, Jace. You want to hit it?
Yeah, let's do it.
Dad, can you go fast on this?
Oh yeah.
Whoa!
Dad, can you go fast on
That's
the house?
close.
Well, if I do that, my phone will probably fall out that I just put in. Here you go, Stu.
Gotta jump it.
No, we're not jumping Old Acme. There you go. A little bounce.
Your my tail lights flashing.
Yeah.
Why don't you just let me lead here?
I can drive, I can drive. Wait, Dad, this looks flat for me.
Another burn area here.
Aspens.
Woo!
Who's behind?
There's some tall mountains straight ahead of us. I wonder what those are.
Now that's a good bump.
It actually looks like that might be in the wilderness area.
Oh, I bet it is.
Because it looks like you're high on the good stuff. Trying to drive a four-wheeler.
Well, shoot, if it's going to be smooth road the whole way, I'd rather turn around and go back the way we came.
You want to?
What do you guys want to do?
Turn around.
I would turn around.
No.
It was fun. It was fun with those
This would be
bumps.
a good part for me to drive on if my dad lets
That
me.
was a fun trail.
That was a fun trail.
I say we turn
her
her right around.
What's Fat Agnes say?
I don't care.
Someone's gonna need to hold that branch again.
Oh, I got some service. There goes my phone.
There.
Yeah, what is that?
It's a field goal post.
I don't know.
To hang stuff off of, maybe?
They probably kill a deer and hang it up and skin it.
Maybe.
Who knows?
Got a poaching operation
Oh, the
going.
firewood's sitting right over there. It looks pretty fresh cut.
We should just leave it here.
Are we gonna do
Whoa!
some? Are we gonna do some jump rating?
Me and Kinston would win by a mile.
No, it's not a competition. You
Hang
just
on, Stewie.
you just go up and jump and then say it's rating out of 10, like how much you like the jump. Oh,
10.
that one is like 8.
Oh, that was a 9.
That was a 9 or 10.
That one was probably 7.
10 out of 10.
It's a 10.
That one's probably a 10. I like that one.
Me and Jace got a couple where you come off just perfectly level and you land just perfectly level.
Yeah, those are the best.
That one's like a 2. I believe it's right. But I don't know. I have to see it.
Yeah, I think it's right.
If we're going back the way we came, it's right.
A rough section of trail.
Ale.
Pretty rough for Wyoming standards. This is all day long in Colorado.
Hey, got you here. Oh, Uncle Rainbow's scared to go through all that.
Who's so scared?
Oh, my.
If I remember right, old Stewie drove through this the other way. On the Blue
You gotta be
Beast.
looking ahead of you, boy.
How does this trail not just get destroyed with all this water and whatnot on it?
That's what I'm saying. Like, the mud here does not get near as muddy as it does at home. And it...
Well, we've known that. It can rain here, and you can go out the next minute and not get stuck in it. No, back home,
Right.
it ain't that way.
You get stuck in a heartbeat at home.
All right, we're gonna let somebody else lead for a while.
I'll go. Brandon,
Yeah, I'm right behind you.
was there always a log there? Or am I crazy?
There's always a log there. Because I remember
You
trying to
still
wheel it.
crazy.
I try to wheelie it every time, but it doesn't work on that one.
So scared
Got
to go
some
on
dark
fast
clouds.
times.
So scared.
You're so scared.
Yeah, he's so scared to go fast on these humps. Oh, it's bad. No, it
Oh, Stu.
Yeah, you guys should.
Oh, the wheelie. What tree do we want?
Wait, Kinston, I need to get out.
too much iron here. Oh, way too much iron.
Like I'm riding quickly.
Alright.
But the other one is really hard to like hold on to.
Yeah.
I stick to what I said earlier. The pretty little kids are just saying ditch buzzwords like ditch, creek, buzz.
Oh, we got a new tree down.
You gotta cut it?
Hey, the wind died down a
My
lot.
dad supplies for tools.
That's gonna need cut.
Alright.
It's in between multiple trees, like we're not gonna be able to move it away.
Yeah,
It's
sure
new.
enough. Got a downed tree.
While we bring a saw.
Ugh.
Oh. Guess we didn't come this way this morning.
It's about the power outage.
Well,
If you want to cut it closer over here, we'll have an easier
do we
time
cut it
clearing
once and try to drag that end around or what?
We
Or
could,
just cut it
as
on.
long as it don't get wedged in between the two trees, but you might be alright.
Oh yeah, it is wedge there. Well, I'll cut this side first, I think.
Pretty big.
I don't know that it matters.
There she go.
Oh, so man.
I mean, we could try to pull it or
I'll just cut it.
step back, Stu.
Need it cut once more.
Why don't we pull it this way?
Battery's half dead.
Is it? Hey, why don't we pull it this way?
You want me to cut that little pine and
Yeah.
it might be easier to drag that other one out of there?
Yeah.
Yeah, it broke off a smaller tree too, didn't it? When it fell.
She fit through there?
Probably.
Video.
I don't think it's worth rain gear when we're this close. I just seen it bounce off the four-wheeler.
Yeah.
It's here.
A little bit of hail or sleet or whatever it is.
One of them hit me right in the lip and it hurt.
It don't feel good, I tell you that. Oh, ouch!
I told
Yeah,
you
there's
guys.
a weed just sitting on my seat.
Oh, there's sheep.
Hey,
There's ice.
I just got knuckled by a piece of hail.
There's hail. And
There is,
sheep.
in fact, there's a lot of hail now.
And stop. Guys, stop looking at.
Hope it doesn't get any bigger than this.
I know it. Borderline.
I like having me a roof right now.
This feels like paintball.
All I know is I'm glad I got a helmet on.
Oh man, there's some slapping my legs though.
I'm gonna see the hell.
She ain't too comfy.
Are you kidding me? Dude, Evan, you're so lucky. I'm so sad now. The hail's killing us. Okay, stop for a little bit. Wait, no, it didn't.
Definitely lightened up, but there's still a few falling.
We're gonna get out in front of it, then it's gonna hit us when we try to load machine.
Right?
It stopped for a little bit.
I don't know what
140
you'd
miles.
do if you got stuck in like a big hailstorm.
Oh, it sucks.
We would all been piling under that Defender roof, I tell you that. Oh, but seriously, if you didn't have a machine with a roof on it, what would you do? Get in the
big
trees?
tree to get under.
Yeah.
Keep your helmet on.
I'm glad I have a helmet.
Crawl underneath the machine is probably what I would do. That would work.
I think if you got into some thick forest, the tree branches would soften most of it.
Yeah. Hail,
Because you guys are
We've done
letting me
about
drive.
60 miles. And I'm at 3 bars of fuel.
60 miles today?
Yeah. Started at 80 and I'm at 141. Philip?
And now the sun's out.
Oh.
One of them is Centennial Bean, and then the other one is, I don't know
Oh
what.
man, that view is just one of those views that would never get old.
It's pretty spectacular.
Wow.
Look at the flat, what do you call that, a plateau? It's just flat. It comes up and then it's flat.
That is incredible.
Some might call it a great plateau.
That is my own dog wrong.
Sometime today, Nancy.
Jace,
That
you need to
guy's
help
so
with
shot.
putting stuff away. You can't just go straight
Not
to the
getting in the
pickup.
truck, Jace. Jace, not getting in the truck. We're gonna help.
This was such the hill. I'll get it.
Dad, I got this one lined up, but I remember that one being unstable, so I'd rather you bring it up.
All right, you guys can get like water bottles and stuff off this machine.
Ah! Even took my pants are soaked. My pants are soaked.
Alright guys, there you go. That finishes up our ride trip. Day 3 is complete. Another great day. Boy, this area has been fantastic. But I think we are going to hurry up, strap down, and get out of here before we get hailed on again.